together with Carol Johnson, Destination Marketing Manager for Tripadvisor. Carol, welcome to the Bonaire, the first time?
No, not the first time. I've been coming here since 1989 as a diver.
Okay, you see an increase in the amount of people or entities who are joining Tripadvisor as a search engine?
Well, I see a lot more of people that are coming to Bonaire, and I also see a lot more different businesses here on Bonaire than that time. You know, this new courtyard here, new dive operations that I haven't heard or seen before. But yes, so personally, I've seen some businesses. Yes.
You were the speaker today at a nice seminar given at the Courtyard Marriott. It was your expectation. What was the feedback you got from the entities or person representing the entities?
It was a very good turnout today. We had over 60 people who had RSVP'd, and I think there actually were more here. And it was a workshop on reputation management, not only on Tripadvisor, but on social media. So we had some, very good instruction and tips from Tripadvisor, and then we also had some very helpful feedback from the private sector.
One ticklish question. Tripadvisor, Facebook competition?
No, they're really two different entities. I mean, Tripadvisor is all about travelers. They're there to look for something. Facebook, everyone is on, Facebook, just communicating. So I think the platforms are used differently. One using to communicate with friends and to sort of brag, what you've done. Travel comes into it and people talk about where they're at with travel. But with Tripadvisor, they're there actually planning to do something. They're travelers.
Yes, as Tripadvisor, you got a lot of reviews from Bonaire, people loving, enjoying the island, getting to know more about Bonaire, not going to Argentina, Buenos Aires, but coming to Bonaire, Dutch Caribbean?
Yeah, I mean, Bonaire definitely has increased the number of reviews in the past 3 years. I mean, they've doubled the amount of reviews here. And today's workshop was helping to educate people on how to generate more reviews for Bonaire and how to respond to your reviews that you get so that you can manage your reputation online and on Tripadvisor.
Yes, one last message, Carol. It was a pleasure talking to you for the news department. And one last message for the entities that have not already joined Tripadvisor. Your message to encourage them to join Tripadvisor, and the ones who are Tripadvisors as a search engine, your last words for them.
Yes, in terms of Tripadvisor, I mean, we are, the #1 travel site in the world, and for because of the amount of content we have, and as they say, if you're in tourism or you're fishing, you need to fish where the fish are.